In the story of life on Earth, there are moments that define our understanding of how we came to be. One such moment can be traced back millions of years to a creature that existed on the delicate boundary between two worlds. Meet Archaeopteryx, an iconic fossil that bridges the gap between dinosaurs and modern birds. This 150 million year old fossil is one of the most important pieces of evidence in the puzzle of evolution, showing us how flight might have been begun. Archaeopteryx had feathers, but it wasn't a bird. Yet it wasn't quite a dinosaur either. It had wings, much like a bird, but it also had the teeth, the long tail, and the bony feet of a dinosaur. It's this unique combination that make it a crucial link in understanding the origin of birds. Through fossils like this, scientists have been able to uncover the evolution of birth itself. Many dinosaurs, like Archaeopteryx, laid eggs, but over time, certain birds evolved a different method of reproduction. The shift from egg laying to live birth is thought to have been gradual. While Archaeopteryx didn't give birth like mammals do, its existence shows us a world where birth was changing. And as life evolved, the mechanism of reproduction, survival, and flight all slowly transformed. So the next time you see a bird soaring above you, remember Archaeopteryx. It's not just the wings that connect us to the past, it's the journey of life itself. From ancient fossils to modern flight, the origin of birth continues to reveal the remarkable story of life's evolution.